Hello everybody, I just came here and I saw my doggy. No, here, I won't take your bone. I won't say hi to the camera. Say hi to the camera. Are you tired? No bark, no bark. No bark. Want your bone? No. Here, want this? You want this? Wait. Sure. Up. Come here. Go get it. Sit. Stay. Now watch. I'll make him look like a girl. No. Here. Okay. It's a belt for his suit, and up here for a clip for a girl. What do you want? See his swirl somewhere. There. See right there. Say hi to the camera. Want bubbles? Oh, you're cute. Ozzy. See, look, he gives kisses. See. Little. Poopy Paco? Yeah, I call him Poopy Paco. Ouch, Ozzy. Ouch! His name was on my pinky. Don't give kisses. Kisses! Oh, thank you. Oh, Ozzy, you're so cute. Look at that great dog. Little. Want bubbles? Come on, let's go get bubbles. Ozzy, do you have a jiggly wiggly in your stomach? Hey, where's the incubator? Oh, okay. Yeah, I call that an incubator. It's a dog. It's a baby thing. Yeah, my dog uses it. Got a garage sale for $10. Yeah, I played with it when I was like a little girl. So yeah. Kept it. And I just went in there. Right? This is cute eye. I should sniff the camera. I didn't say hide the camera with your face. Want some? Yeah, I want to pick up that meat for him. Shh. Still recording. I know. See, I got that piece of meat out. Here, Ozzy. And so he eats it. Still have the bone here. I'm gonna try to get out some more meat. I don't think we can. I don't really think we can. Trying to get out that piece, but I don't think so. Yeah, well, yeah, a little niblet.